Beach blankets or a mat is the foundation of comfort in the sand. They can be thin or very durable, cheap or something that has a premium price tag with greater quality and longevity too. Thousands of beach blankets are available in the market today, so choosing the right one for you can be difficult. To help you decide which option suits your needs and budget, we have curated a selection with different price points and features. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 beach blankets on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Weekapoo Beach Blanket. A large beach blanket that can accommodate all the gear you take to the beach, and moving with the sun is a good thing when you're several people. This option from Weekapoo can cover a wide surface area and folds down into a compact, hand-sized pouch. The Weekapoo Sand-Free Beach Blanket is one of today's best-selling products. For people like us who spend a lot of time on the beach, this mid-range product seemed interesting enough to review. While beach blankets are not as interesting or technical as beach chairs or umbrellas, there will be differences between one-time options and those that you recommend to a friend. Let's dive in to check out the features of the Weekapoo, the pros and cons of having this blanket as your beach foundation. Huge enough to accommodate up to 7 people. Lightweight and portable. Easy to set up and pack. Washable and stain resistant. Soft and easy on the skin. Feels nice on grass. Will blow away in strong winds if not anchored. Not 100% water resistant. Number 2. Urban Eco Outdoors Lightweight Beach Blanket. The Urban Eco Outdoors Lightweight Beach Blanket is made of polyester, a breathable material that hardly sticks to the skin. Measuring about 9x 6.5, it can seat up to 8 people. Despite being oversized when spread out, it fits in a portable and compact bag that is used to transport it. This beach blanket is sand-proof, water-resistant and dries extremely quickly, making it ideal for a trip to the beach. It also comes with pegs and pockets for a double-anchored design, efficiently countering the blows of strong winds. More importantly, Urban Eco also provides a lifetime replacement policy, a guarantee that this product is a high-quality beach blanket. Large enough for 6 to 8 adults. Sand-proof and water-resistant. Compact and easy to carry. Things we don't like. Its compact profile makes it less comfy than other options. Number 3. Rowberry Beach Blanket. If you are out there, searching for one of the most comfortable beach blankets, look no further because the Rowberry Picnic Blanket is the one for you. It comes with added cushioning and padding to make your experience pleasant and enjoyable. It's machine washable, and it comes with several zippered pockets where you can keep small valuables organized. What's more, is that a carrying tote is designed explicitly for this picnic blanket to make the blanket extremely portable. It's lightweight and compact. Features several zippered pockets. Additional cushion and padding. Added straps for more accessible transportation. It features cushioning, which makes your beach or picnic experience very comfortable. Easily foldable, and a carrying tote is provided so you can carry it anywhere easily. Number 4. Scuttles Extra Large Beach Blanket. The Scuttles Extra Large Picnic and Outdoor Blanket sounds like something for everyone. While it has a lot going for it, and as positive reviews might mislead toward that end, it compromises on some serious points. This beach blanket is in fact an extremely compact and easy to carry and pack ground mat. But what it is not is a thick blanket that provides anything more than separation from the wet, cold ground. Having said that, there's still a lot of good things to be said and experienced with this outdoor product if you've gotten far enough to read this. Let's dive in to find out if this beach blanket is the best option for you. Excellent water resistance. Easy to pack and very portable. Spacious enough for couples or a small family. Reasonable price. Machine washable. Flimsy material that is too lightweight and quick to snag. Stains easily. Scratchy texture. Difficult to fold. Extremely lightweight. The name can be misleading unless you choose the biggest size option. Number 5. Popcho's Beach Blanket. The Popcho's Beach Blanket is a compact blanket that is easy to carry everywhere. It is made of breathable and water-resistant polyester with strong triple stitching. The water-resistant fabric helps keep moisture off. Further, this blanket quickly dries in case it gets wet. While this blanket can avoid collecting sand, it is not that difficult to shake the sand off. It is also quite easy to clean. Portable and versatile, the Popcho's Beach Blanket is ideal for any occasion outdoors. You can take it to the beach or park. It may also be useful at outdoor concerts or sports matches. This blanket is compact when folded and spacious when laid out. Suitable for families, the extra-large model has enough surface area for up to 7 people. With 5 sand anchor pockets and 6 ground stakes, this outdoor blanket can resist winds in most cases. The sand anchor pockets also have built-in zippers so that you can store your valuables conveniently. Let's dive in to find out whether or not the Popcho's beach blanket is worth your money. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.